Hey guys, this is Matt North, president of Good Guy Flooring. We recently have been holding a raffle for a Christmas giveaway on Facebook and Google. So everybody that's left us a review, all of our customers in the last few weeks, we're giving away a family 4-pack of tickets to Enchant Christmas. It's the world's largest Christmas light maze in Arlington, Texas. So you're going to get 2 VIP adult tickets, 2 VIP children's tickets, and it comes with a gourmet dinner as well. So I'm going to do the raffle right now and draw the name. See who the lucky winner is. Guess I should have asked you how this opens. All right. And the winner is Diane Hodges Stevens. And thank you to all of our loyal customers, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas.